What the hell is that, Sam?
It's the anti-tilt block.
Okay. So, we haven't seen this car in a while, but there's an SR in there now.
There's also a floor in there.
Oh yeah. Pretty nice. So, I don't know what parts you use.
What'd you use? Venmo me and
Damn, it was like that. So you got a whole new subframe and rack.
yeah, so converting it from the steering box to rack and pinion. So it's a Ford Escort rack and pinion, a manual rack and pinion.
Right-hand drive.
Right-hand drive.
Dang.
The coach, also a Coachworks subframe with the motor mounts and the steering column.
So this is all available to purchase.
Yeah, JB Coachworks.
There you go. That's how you get your SR in here. Well, it looks like we ran into a slight problem with your turbo setup.
Yeah, so with the steering column, basically the turbo's gonna sit right here.
Oh, you need a light.
Let me turn on the light right here.
Yeah, so you got your nice Tomy manifold here, but I don't think you'll be able to use it.
Yep. So the turbo's actually gonna sit right here, which is gonna run into
Where the steering.
the stereo linkage right here, coming down. That's where the little red cap.
So basically, everything has to be pushed forward as far as the front of the car to clear everything. Dang, so this for sale?
It is. It is.
With the turbo too?
I don't know about the turbo. Maybe. I gotta ride it in the 240 first and see if I want a new turbo. But yeah.
Yeah, we just got this done after figuring out his subframe was installed.
It wasn't my subframe. It was the motor mount right here was upside down. Was it upside down? It was upside down.
It was
Oh no,
reversed.
reversed.
Yeah, it was left to right.
So it was reversed. But and also this is the motor insulators for the 240s, the S13 ones. It was way off.
I got some advice for you guys. If you're gonna install this, read the directions.
Whoa. Directions?
There was no instructions, okay? The directions, okay? It just said mount the motor mounts, all right? So,
It just said put the new stuff in, right?
yep. Hey man, I'm a Honda guy, right? Hondas are easier.
Okay. So that the motor is kind of just mocked up, not bolted in or anything.
That's why we have this here, so it doesn't tilt too far forward.
Anti-tilt device. I'm gonna try to get the.
He's gonna put the tranny in.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Dang.
Okay. I wasn't expecting that. The thing's pretty big.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the S15, right?
Yep.
S15 6-speed.
I don't really know what these wires do. I don't think I even need it, to be honest.
Just keep it.
Huh? No, this model, there's like this like little sensor.
Oh, like the speedo maybe? Is
Yeah,
it
so it does.
electronic speedo?
I think it's like the rotation of the
Yeah, the cross.
or whatever.
Oh, that's too fancy. You're getting speed hunt anyways.
Yeah, I want to speed HUD GPS, baby.
So we'll see if this big old trans fits. His old trans is way smaller, so it involves like cutting, right?
So typically you're supposed to open up the transmission hole.
Yeah. And then anything in here,
So
you have to make a new hole for your shifter, right? Probably.
make a new hole, but it also might be that it sits further back.
Yeah.
So I took the shifter off, kind of just taped it over so no debris get into it. I'm gonna try and mock up the transmission and where it sits, and then either persuade it or cut it out.
Persuasion, I like that one. That means hammer, right?
Yeah, a hammer, a really big hammer,
That's called a BFM.
Yeah.
big fucking hammer.
This bell housing is pretty big, so
Yeah, I've seen a lot of people like actually cut out the transmission tunnel and then like,
make a whole new shape.
but
Yeah, so obviously this is not the final install. It's gonna come out again later.
Well, we need to mock it up for like to weld in some brackets, right, for the trans.
Yeah, so the floor transmission mount sits like this.
Oh,
Like this. So
okay.
you want to be able to figure out where it actually sits perfectly with this. So then Sean can weld it in, and then I can seam seal the bottom, pour 15 the bottom, and then pour 15 the inside, and then
Get on with the build, huh?
get on with the build. See, I've been doing stuff.
Yes. We haven't seen the car in a while. You've been doing it without us recording.
Well, it's only because we don't have the same days off.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we would have been here. But,
Yeah, I do it on Saturdays, and they come on Sundays.
Okay.
so, let's just throw this transmission in. See how it goes.
Big transmission. Yeah.
It's hella long. Well, this is a blocker anyway, so.
Hello.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Having fun down there?
Welcome back to the channel of I Hate My Life.
Looks like the transmission is somewhat where it needs to be.
Yeah, so this is the S15 on a S13, so I bought S13 transmission bolts, and I think they're too short.
Yeah, I think the bell housing is slightly thicker, huh? On S15 trans.
Well, this is also the Spec R one,
Oh yeah.
so I don't know what the difference. I mean,
Well,
That might
either
be-
way, the bolts you got.
God. I think this slave cylinder works too.
okay, well, yeah, so pretty much I cannot bolt the transmission in
Until you get bolts,
until I get new bolts.
longer bolts.
And then it
What about
also
everything else?
doesn't match the transmission mount.
Like to the body.
Yeah, can you see?
No, I can't see.
It's right here. So the holes for the factory is right here,
Uh huh.
and then the difference is like.
Like 6 inches or so.
I initially thought I mounted it backwards again, which I did, didn't I?
Yeah, it was backwards.
But it still doesn't line up.
But it's still not lined up.
Is it so the trans then?
Well, I think this is an S13 transmission crossmember.
It's a universal one from T3.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
I have no idea.
Probably needs some more research. See if the S15 trans is different from S13.
I know the S15 trans has a longer tail.
Yeah, it might be different enough for that.
Okay,
Well, you
good
have the
news.
SR trans, the other one, don't you?
Yeah, I have an S18 one too, but I'm trying to have 6 gears, man.
Oh
Hey man, that might not be in the books for you.
no, that might be a lot more.
What you gonna say, Sam? Huh? It doesn't fit, huh?
I mean, it kind of don't.
Have you even looked under here yet?
Sam, the king of comments.
I'm trying to look for the shifter, and it looks like the shifter's about to be like fucking 5 inches back.
Oh yeah,
But we don't have to modify the transmission tunnel. It doesn't look like
that's
that.
cool. Where is
The
your?
only thing you have to cut out is the shifter hole.
Well, that was a given.
Is way back there? Oh,
I think that's about what it's at.
Yeah.
What do you guys think the shifter is?
Way back.
Right here, in the middle, where the
Oh, it's like right
It's
here.
like right here.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Not bad.
Still, I mean, like, if I were to sit,
get a longer steering wheel, a deeper steering wheel.
You might need a shifter that like angles forward or something,
Yeah.
just so it would feel comfortable.
I for sure am keeping this because I like this.
Handbrake up there.
Yeah, the handbrake. I'll print out a little sticker that says "Oh shit."
Well, if this doesn't work, you got the other trans.
Oh yeah, it's
Not this.
like back there somewhere, I think.
Well, maybe you can spot the differences right now. Somewhere in here.
I would, but my girls are.
Okay. Yeah. I don't know where it is now.
Oh, right here.
Oh.
On the
But
floor.
it's covered in stuff.
Okay. Well, you guys finally get to see the 510 again.
That's a
guess-
motor.
There's an engine in there, transmission almost in, bodywork's starting to come along. Floors are in. I can't wait to see like the floors all like one color, you know, like not like green and gray.
I should just leave it like this.
Man, no carpet too. Just leave like this. Oh, you took the dash out too.
Yeah, I want to replace like the factory sound deadener
Yeah.
because it's like basically the insulation bullshit. And so I took off the dash and then I was gonna like pour 15 it because it like there's a little rust on the bottom of it. And then I was gonna put sound deadener like the Dynamat or whatever it
Yeah.
is.
That'll help.
Do that, and then yeah, and then try to tuck everything underneath the dash, kind of hide it.
It's getting there.
Don't buy a 510. Don't do it.
You can buy one that's built already.
I should just buy one. That was
Just buy it on Forza.
You know what? I'm gonna go home and play Forza. Drop my 510.
Things are way easier over there.
You press a button and it's all done. Shit.
Hey man, the bar finds look better than this car too.
Hey, come on, Sam. He said the bar fine's in better shape than this. These comments, man. These comments are hell of me.
Someone is just jealous that Forza has my car in the game. You gotta drive a generation previous. And this motherfucker hit my F40. I was driving a Ferrari F40. His piece of shit prelude hit me.
I thought he was a ghost.
Man, this is your first engine swap.
No.
No?
What was the first thing this one?
It's right next to it.
Integra?
Oh. That has an engine that's like
Not
For
made
the
for the
car.
car.
Technically, that engine's not made for the car either. But these things come with B18s, right? Huh? These things come with B18s.
No, they don't.
What does it come with?
Actually, it comes with a B18A.
Man.
but it's like similar enough, right?
Yeah.
You don't have to do too much to it.
There wasn't much to it.
Okay. Well, there's finally a video on the 510. You take
Yeah.
down.
Internet, stop coming after me.
He's doing stuff. We just don't see it.
Like we said, our schedules don't line up, so we can't come and record. Unless you want the camera.
Unless he wants to be cameraman.
To be honest, it's like so hard. Like me and
Yes.
Sean would do stuff, and we'll be like, "Oh shit, we didn't record it."
Yeah, it's
I
hard.
think. Does he need help?
Sam got it. Bye, Sam.
Anybody want to buy some wheels? Brand new
Hey.
tires.
The Kiwi size. Big spec.
Wait, you trying to sell them, Sam?
800.
Dang, 800 for the wheels? Okay.
Damn, 800 brand new tires. What a deal!
Those FC boys.
Oh man, we saw an FC this morning. We should have chased him down.
Wait.
Like, hey, we got some Crown Vic wheels. I know you want it.
All right, well,
I think we're gonna stop it there. I guess we'll see your car again in a couple months, possibly in the same state or running.
Next time you see it, it'll be ready.
Maybe.
maybe I don't know.
Still got to figure out all this intercooler plumbing, turbo.
Get an intercooler, get a radiator.
Well, we just stuck the engine in just to see where everything needs to be for the transmission,
Yeah, just so we can mock
and
up.
then we're gonna pull it back out, and then do all the painting stuff in the engine bay
Wiring harness.
as soon as Lynn picks a color.
It's so hard. There's so many nice blues.
Always gonna be blue.
That's gonna be blue
Oh
for
shit. You gotta beat that out, man.
for sure. Best color. Okay, bye.